Hello guys, how are you? Hope you people are doing good. Preparation is going well. I am also good, and here we are having another video for the biomolecule. This is the lecture number 8, and in this lecture we are going to discuss about the formation of starch, glycogen and cellulose. So this side your chemistry faculty Govind sir, and we are going to record the lecture number 8 for the biomolecule. So be with me. We are going to start. In that case, formation of starch. Okay, so what are the terms and condition for the starch? So first thing, starch is a polysaccharide. It is a polysaccharide and made by alpha d glucose. Starch is made by alpha d glucose, n number of alpha d glucose connected together, and they will form starch. What is alpha d glucose? Again I am writing many time. I draw the structure. So this is your alpha d glucose, children. Here H and the OH, then OH, here OH, H, OH, H, H, and CH2OH. So this is your alpha D glucose. Alpha D glucose. So let's talk about more about this starch. We need to learn about the polysaccharide first. We need what we need. We need to learn about polysaccharide. What is polysaccharide, guys? Three main polysaccharide we are having. Starch, then glycogen, and third is cellulose. Okay, then starch is having two type of component, or you can say made by two type of species. One is amylose and one is amylopectin. So in the starch we are having amylose and amylopectin. So what is amylose and amylopectin? That we have to focused. See, properties of amylose and amylopectin. Properties of amylose and amylopectin. Okay, focus on it. Same time easy also. So we are going to discuss about the amylose and amylopectin. Few points I am going to write. You have to focus. Point number 1, straight chain structure. Amylose is having a straight chain structure and amylopectin branched chain structure. Point number 2, only C1 C4 bond present. That means one alpha D glucose carbon number 1 and second alpha D glucose carbon number 4, they connected. Here, that is the point number 1. C1, C4 and C1, C6 bonds present. Point number 3, amylose are water soluble, water insoluble. Amylopectins are water insoluble. In the structure of, in the formation of starch, 15 to 20% starch in the starch, 15 to 20% of starch made by amylose, and 80 to 85% of starch made by amylopectin. So these are the difference. Okay, so no need to worry at all. You have to be focused on these differences. Very simple difference between amylose and amylopectin. So let's talk about the amylose structure. Amylose, alpha D glucose connected with C1 C4. So see, alpha D glucose, OH, here OH, H, OH, H, H. So another unit connected with this glycosidic linkage. H, H. Okay, so like that units are connected, children. Check it once. Here this is carbon number 1, this is carbon number 4, again this is carbon number 1, and this is carbon number 4, again this is carbon number 1. So bond formed between C1 to C4, C1 to C4, that is the amylose structure. Okay, so I hope it is clear. These are the alpha D glucose units, alpha D glucose units connected with C1 C4 bond, and amylose structure is formed. Next, amylopectin In the case of amylopectin, C1, C4, at the same time C1, C6. So here alpha D glucose, OH, here OH, H, and here H. OH, H, 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 CH2OH, and here H. OH, H. Another unit connected So see children, in that case carbon number 1, this is carbon number 4, carbon number 1, and this is carbon number 6. Again 6 carbon number, then this is carbon number 4, again this is carbon number 1. So here C1, C4 and C1, 6 is C6, C1, C6 bond formed, and amylopectin, this is the amylopectin structure guys. Okay, so tell me this amylopectin is reducing sugar or non-reducing sugar? It is non-reducing sugar, non-reducing sugar, because no hemiacetal formation, no hemiacetal formation is there. Okay, so this is all about the amylopectin, and it is completed now. Next come to the cellulose. It is a straight chain polysaccharide. It is a straight chain polysaccharide composed only of beta D glucose. Starch is composed by alpha D glucose and cellulose is composed by beta D glucose. So that is the important part here, composed by beta D glucose. So how it is formed? Check it once. Like a ladder, you have to arrange the beta D molecules. So I'm writing here, check it once properly. Beta D, OH, 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 here H, CH2OH. This is your beta D glucose. Another molecule, OH, H, OH, H, OH, H, OH, here also OH, sorry, H, and here H, CH2OH. Third molecule, OH, H, H, OH, OH, H, H. So what you have to do, children, simply you have to remove water and make a glycosidic linkage. So here that H and this OH, from here water will be removed and they will be connected with oxygen. Similarly, here also water will be removed and they will be connected with oxygen. Glycosidic linkage. So what is the C1 C4 connect and remove water and make a glycosidic linkage. Glycosidic link. Okay. So beta D glucose unit connected, and this is the formation of cellulose. Nothing more than this. I hope it is clear. Alpha D glucose connected and remove water C1 C4 because this is carbon number 1, this is carbon number 4, this is carbon number 1, this is carbon number 4. That's it. In that case, what happened, children? Next part is glycogen. Okay. Glycogen. So that thing it's also called animal starch. It's also called animal starch that I have already explained. Its structure is similar. Its structure is similar to amylopectin. Its structure is similar to amylopectin and rather more highly branched. Rather more highly branched. Okay, so what is it written? It's similar to the amylopectin and more highly branched. So check it again, same amylopectin like structure we have to draw. No need to draw, but I am doing for you people. Okay, oxygen. In that case, OH. H. See children, once again, here carbon number 1, carbon number 4, carbon number 1, carbon number 6, carbon number 4, and carbon number 1. So more highly branched as compared to amylopectin, and this is your glycogen. So here all the polysaccharide we have completed. So this is all about today. Thank you children. Hope you people are doing good, prepare well. All the best, all the very best for your exam. Please watch the video, share the video. Thank you.